Motorcycles for beginners: the ultimate guide. Indian Scout 60. The Indian Scout 60 is an exceptional choice for beginners who want a cruiser with classic styling, manageable power, and impressive comfort. As the entry-level model in Indian Motorcycles' iconic Scout lineup, the Scout 60 offers a user-friendly riding experience that combines heritage-inspired design with modern performance. For riders new to motorcycling, it provides a solid platform to build skills while enjoying the thrill of the open road. Engine and performance. The Indian Scout 60 is powered by a liquid-cooled, 999 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that produces 78 horsepower and 88 Newton-meters of torque. Despite its larger engine size, the power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it suitable for beginners who want a bike that is forgiving but still capable. The linear power curve ensures that riders can comfortably control the throttle, whether cruising in town or on highways. The bike comes with a 5-speed transmission that is easy to operate, allowing new riders to get used to shifting gears without added stress. The Scout 60's V-twin engine is not only approachable but also provides enough performance for riders to grow into, making it a bike that can keep up with their evolving skills. Comfort and ergonomics. One of the Scout 60's standout features is its low seat height of just 649 mm (25.6 inches), which makes it one of the most accessible cruisers on the market. This low profile allows beginners to place their feet firmly on the ground at stops, boosting confidence and stability. At 248 kilograms (548 pounds), the Scout 60 is on the heavier side, but its low center of gravity and well-balanced design make it feel lighter than it is. The bike's ergonomics are tailored for comfort, with a relaxed riding position and forward-set foot controls. The wide handlebars provide excellent leverage, making the bike easy to maneuver at low speeds. The plush seat and smooth suspension further enhance comfort, ensuring a pleasant ride even on longer journeys. Features and technology. The Indian Scout 60 blends classic cruiser aesthetics with modern features. Iconic design. The timeless design includes a teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and a retro-inspired silhouette that turns heads wherever you ride. ABS, optional for enhanced safety. The Scout 60 offers anti-lock braking as an option, giving riders added confidence in various road conditions. Low maintenance. The Scout 60's belt drive system is durable and requires minimal upkeep, making it ideal for beginners. Why it's perfect for beginners. The Indian Scout 60 is an excellent motorcycle for beginners seeking a blend of style, performance, and comfort. Its approachable power, low seat height, and classic design make it an ideal entry point into the cruiser world. Whether you're commuting, taking weekend rides, or planning a road trip, the Scout 60 provides an enjoyable and reliable experience for new riders looking to embrace the freedom of motorcycling.